Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're diving into a super useful tutorial: how to set Adobe as your default PDF viewer on your iPhone in 2025. With iOS updates making it simpler than ever to customize your apps, this step-by-step guide will have you up and running in no time. Why bother? Well, Adobe offers advanced features like editing, annotating, and signing PDFs right from your phone, which can save you tons of time compared to the default viewer. First things first, make sure you have the Adobe Acrobat app installed. If you don't, head over to the App Store, search for Adobe Acrobat, and download it for free. Once that's done, open the Files app or any app where you have a PDF stored, like your email or downloads folder. Now, locate a PDF file and tap on it to open. If it doesn't open in Adobe automatically, you'll see an option to choose an app. Tap on the Share icon or the Open With menu. Depending on your iOS version in 2025, this might look a bit different, but it should be straightforward. From the list of available apps, select Adobe Acrobat. Here's the key step. When prompted, look for an option that says Set as Default or something similar, and tap it to make Adobe your go-to viewer for all PDFs. If you don't see that prompt, don't worry. Go to your iPhone's Settings app, scroll down to find Adobe Acrobat in the list of apps, and tap on it. Inside, there should be a section for Default Apps or File Types. Select PDF from the options and choose Adobe as the default. That's it, you've successfully switched. One quick tip. After making the change, test it by opening another PDF to ensure everything works smoothly. If you run into any issues, make sure your Adobe app is updated to the latest version, as 2025 might bring some new features. There you have it, folks. Setting Adobe as your default PDF viewer is a game changer for productivity. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more iPhone tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.